Today's video, we're going to look at 4 examples where we convert numbers in scientific notation back to standard form. The 4 practice problems are here. Pause the video, try them for yourself first. When you unpause, you can check your answers against mine. Example 1, 1.63 times 10 to the 4th. We start by writing down 1.63 and add some zeros to the right. The index says we need to move it 4 places, so our final answer is 16,300. Example 2, 4.89 times 10 to the 8th power. Same deal here. We write down 4.89, add some zeros to the right. Move the decimal 8 places, and our answer is 489 million. Example 3, 9.21 times 10 to the 5th power. 9.21, add some zeros to the right, and move the decimal place 5 spaces. The answer is 921,000. Example 4, 7.2163 times 10 cubed. When we write down 7.2163, we already have 4 digits after the decimal, but we only need to move it 3. When we do that, we get 7,216.3. If you did good on these 4 problems, give me a thumbs up. Be sure to check out my other video where I walk through moving from standard form to scientific notation. For more math help videos, subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on TikTok at ImproveMath1 or check out my site at improvemath.com. See you next time.